Okay, as the initial step, you need to go to search bar, search for run, tap on it. In here you need to type gpedit.msc like this. Tap on OK. Under the computer configuration, double tap on administrative templates. Then after, go to Windows components, go to BitLocker drive encryption, operating system drives. In the right side menu, tap on require additional authentication at startup option. Double tap on it. Make sure set it as enabled. Then after, tap on apply and tap on OK. Once it is done, you can restart your computer. Again, you need to go to search bar, search for run, tap on it. This time you need to type %temp %. Tap on OK. You have to delete all the files by pressing Ctrl A and delete key in your keyboard. So tick the continue option. Some of the file will not be deleted, it's okay. Then after, close this one. Then restart your computer and try to relaunch the Valorant again. Then after, again you need to go to start menu, go to setting, go to privacy and security option, tap on Windows security. In this menu, tap on device security option, tap on co-isolation details. Make sure to turn off memory integrity option like this. Once it is done, you can close this one, close this one. So then after, again go to search bar, search for group policy, tap on edit group policy option. This menu, in this time you have to go to administrative templates and system. In this menu you need to go to device guard, double tap on turn on virtualization based security. Make sure to set it as disabled and tap on apply, tap on OK. Once it is done, you can restart your computer. Some users using Windows 11 installation without TPM and Secure Boot installation requirements using like Rufus. So there is a video in my channel also, you can watch that too, how to install that without using TPM 2.0 requirement. So you can install your Windows using that video without TPM 2.0 enabled. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.